Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming physical and OS prerequisites. Make sure your microphone is plugged in, powered, and visible in the system sound panel. Once done, quit apps that might lock audio and reload the Google Meet tab so it can re-enumerate devices. Then open Meet settings, select the microphone you intend to use, and speak to watch the input meter. This verifies the browser recognizes the device and gives you an initial signal check before deeper troubleshooting. Next, dig into system and browser layers. Go to OS privacy settings and ensure the browser has microphone permission. Toggling it off and on can help. If permissions are fine, update or reinstall audio drivers and swap USB ports or cables to rule out hardware path issues. Clear browser cache or run an incognito window to eliminate extension interference. Alternatively, test Google Meet in another browser to isolate whether the problem is browser-specific. To finish, perform a definitive test. Use Meet's mic preview or record a short clip while on a test call to confirm clarity and volume. If issues remain, swap to a different microphone or wired headset to determine whether the original device is faulty. Make sure system input levels aren't muted or boosted excessively. Sometimes a reboot resolves lingering driver locks. If none of these steps work, escalate to your IT or device manufacturer support with the tests you ran so they can diagnose further.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.